Susan Pitzer with Tupperware, and I want to show you our new silicone baking forms. We have the muffin and then the waffle and then also the ring shape. And these are wonderful. You can bake, you can freeze, you can refrigerate, you can microwave. You can use these forms in so many ways. You have to worry about greasing these before you put your product in. Everything just glides right out. The ring form is super fun for making your own donuts, your little bundt cakes, meatloaves, so many different things you can do with that. And the muffin cups make great, we've got little monkey bread recipes and all kinds of fun recipes for all the different forms. But this is our new line of the silicone baking forms.